You can change your Audi A4 battery in under 10 minutes, and I'm going to show you how. On this model, the battery is located in the boot. Use the button on the driver's door panel to open it. If the battery is too flat to open the boot, you'll need to hook up a jumper pack to the jumper points located in the engine bay. Look for a cover just below the windscreen in the center of the vehicle to hook up the positive, and connect the negative to an unpainted surface on the bodywork. Once you have access to the boot, lift the luggage compartment floor mat and then remove the nut and the spare wheel. Next, remove the plastic cover. The tool tray can also be removed. And now you'll have access to the battery. Now we'll start with the metal retaining bracket that goes over the battery. For this you'll need a 13mm spanner or socket and an extension. There are 4 bolts, 2 in the front and 2 in the rear. Now we can remove the second retaining bracket. This is also a 13mm socket. The plastic cover can now be removed by sliding it off and unclipping it carefully. And then we can remove the negative terminal. As well as the vent tube, and finally the positive terminal. If you still have a battery pack connected to the jumper points, make sure to cover the positive terminal with a rag or insulation tape to prevent it from touching the bodywork while you remove the old battery. Make sure to slot the new battery into the retaining lip at the back. We'll start by connecting the positive terminal loosely. You can use a screwdriver to pry the ends of the terminal open to push the terminal all the way down. When installing the first bracket, line up the notch as seen in the video here with one of the grooves in the battery. This will prevent it from sliding side to side. Once the first bracket is fitted, make sure the battery is secure and then tighten the positive terminal. Before connecting the negative terminal, we'll fit the second retaining bracket. The longest side goes to the back. If you've forgotten about the plastic cover, this can be inserted after the second bracket as well. Next, we'll just make sure all the nuts are secure, and then we'll connect the negative terminal. It's always a good idea to cover the positive terminal. In this case, we'll use the same plastic cover that came with the original battery. Then lastly, we'll fit the tool tray, the plastic cover and the spare wheel to finish the installation. If you'd like to know how to choose the correct battery for your vehicle, then go ahead and watch this one. I hope you found this video helpful, so please consider subscribing. Until next time.